want to make a graph that looks like this? Welcome to episode 2 of the Create a Graphing/Neural Network Program in Python 3 series. In this specific episode, you will learn how to make your own graph look cool just like the image you saw in the beginning of the video. Remember this file from episode 1? Yeah, well, we don't need that file anymore. Go ahead and delete it. Create a new file by going to the upper left corner and selecting the icon that looks like a piece of paper with a plus sign. In order for your program to function properly, do not forget to import your modules. Did you notice these import statements at the top of the file for the code? You want to make sure that you have the following libraries in your import statement. Once you have imported these libraries, you are good to go. We will install the packages later on before we run the program. As you can see, we have already created 2 variables that are arrays, and we have already added a print function that prints the arrays. Now, let's write a function that graphs these array variables. First, start a new function by writing def, or in other words, define. After that, name your function. Call it generate_graph. That way, we know what its purpose is for, which is to generate a graph. Please do not forget your indentation or the Python interpreter will not be happy with you. Inside of the function you just created, we first want to make sure that your graph is looking crisp. So go ahead and type plot.figure fig size equals 10, 6. DPI equals 120. Fig size specifies the width and height of the graph, and DPI is just the image quality. After adjusting the figure size and image quality, you need to set the theme in Seaborn. Go ahead and type plot.style.use seaborn-vo_8-white. You can replace this theme with other themes. I am just choosing this theme for the sake of this tutorial. In order to create an offset, go ahead and type plot.plot days plus 0.08 watch_hours minus 0.4 color equals pick a color alpha equals 0.1 line width equals 5. You can adjust this to your liking. In order to add a gradient, go ahead and type plot.fill_between days watch_hours color equals your choice alpha equals 0.2. As stated before, you can adjust this to your liking. To create a 2.5D illusion, go ahead and type. This adds depth to your graph. You can change your marker to anything that you desire. You can also go ahead and type. Feel free to change your line style to anything that you desire as there are multiple designs. To add a title, X and Y axis label, type. Feel free to adjust this to your liking.
Sorry guys, I forgot to record this part of my script with my actual voice. Anyways, to remove the spines, type sends to spine. This makes your graph look cleaner. To prevent overlapping, type pult tight layout. This ensures that the labels will not overlap on top of each other. Now let's go back to my real voice.
Finally, type plot.show. This allows you to see your graph. If you are using VS Code on your local machine, include plot.savefig cool_graph.png after plot.show. Otherwise, keep plot.savefig cool_graph.png commented if you are using a platform such as CodeHS. These are the packages that you need to install. If you are on a local machine and/or code sandbox, go ahead and run pip install matplot library plotly seaborn numpy in the terminal. Make sure that you are using bash or git bash in order to install the packages correctly. If you want to check, click the drop-down button next to the plus sign at the top right corner. After you have installed your packages, go ahead and type python main_graph_file.py. If the file name that you wish to run has a different name other than the one that I just defined, replace it with the actual name of your file. Once you run it, a picture of your graph will appear. If you are using CodeHS, it is recommended to use the Python 3 Data Science Graphics or the Python 3 Graphics tkinter sandbox. Either is fine for this task. After you create the sandbox, create a file named exactly requirements.txt, and once you create the requirements.txt file, go ahead and type plotly on line 1 and seaborn on line 2. Once you click the run button, the server will automatically download those packages for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. I encourage you to change the colors of your graph and adjust certain features to your liking. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. Tell me about what you learned, what you found interesting, and most importantly, how I can improve. Thank you!